most part, what we do is gather about 10 times a year for meetings, and we have about 6 different shows of this type that we go to where we exhibit equipment. And we also have a barrel train that we take out and to different events, and that makes the kids very happy to give them rides, and it's kind of fun to use our tractors for that. Started collecting items back in the 50s, so I was very interested in that, and when I heard of others that were interested around here, we actually had the first show here with the antique farm equipment in 1982. So that is when me and one other guy brought things out and showed them, and they found that it was interesting. So we continued to do that, and throughout the day there are many people coming in and out, and we have a lot of them that stop and visit, and some of them were talking about Grandpa used to have one of those, or that's how they used to do it, and they're trying to explain to their children how it's happening, and that's why we are grinding the feed over here. And